Alright, what's up guys? This is gonna be a quick video on it's gonna be one of those how-to videos. So we just actually got this Apple Watch. I got it for my wife, and the strap that it came with is kind of small, so this is a smaller size strap, and she wanted to put a little bigger one to give her kind of more space on her wrist. So we're going to be replacing this with the current one, and on this video I just want to show you guys how to remove it, because I noticed there are many videos out there how to actually remove the strap. So this one, to remove it, as you can see, there's this button, so you want to just press this, and while you're pressing it, you just slide it out. Don't pull it, don't yank it or anything like that, just hold it and slide it out. So as you can see, this the silver piece, and there's this kind of notch that holds it in place. I want to say this is like a magnetic, maybe, if I'm not mistaken, but either way, this is how you remove it. And to put the new one, you want to make sure the silver piece is going to be facing to the back of the watch. So just like this, right? Pretty much just like how you remove this, the silver piece supposed to face to the back of the watch, and then you just do the same thing in reverse. So you just align this piece to this groove, and then you just push it, and once you hear that click, that's it. There you go, and now it's in place. And that's how you do it, pretty much. So this is brand new watch. We haven't even actually turned it on yet. It needs some charging, but otherwise this is Apple 3 series smartwatch, and that's all I have for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Hopefully you find this to be helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye.